Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20+ years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you, and enjoy the video.
In this video, we show you how to replace a rear door handle on this 94 Camry. Basically involves removing the door panel and then swapping out the handle. Tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver, a regular screwdriver, and a 10mm socket and ratchet or driver.
Start out, use a flat plate screwdriver, push it up in there. Okay, pull that out, then down in here. We're going a little further on the bottom. Okay, and then that pops off. Then power window switch from under in the front, and it slides up and out. And then there's a little button right here. You press with your thumb, disconnect that. Okay, and then there's a little plug here that covers a Phillips screw. Okay, and that Phillips screwdriver. And another Phillips screw right under here. Kind of put your screwdriver up in there, feel around a little bit until you get it. Okay, and then on the back of the door you have little pins here. Push the center in. Another one down here. Push the center in, and then either using a screwdriver or your fingernails, just pry those out. There's two more of those on the front. One up here and one here. Okay. And then, well, probably the best thing is use a putty knife. Stick it in, slide it until you hit something, pull out. There's 3 clips, and then lift your door panel up and off. Okay, to replace your inside door handle if it's broken, a lot of times the plastic will break and it won't work. 10mm socket and driver. There's actually also a Phillips head in here, so you could use a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, then pull your handle off. And you can see there's just little clips. You can use either your fingernails or a screwdriver. Just kind of push those clips off, and the rod comes down. Same thing with this one. Push that clip off, rod comes down, and it's off. And obviously this handle is good. You can see this upper rod connects on here. The lower rod goes into the back of the door. The lower rod is your handle, is your door handle. So the upper rod is your lock. Put it back in. Flip it on. Put it back in. Flip it on. Okay, 10mm driver here. Start all your bolts first. Tighten them up nice and firm. Okay, reinstall the door panel. Make sure you feed your harness up through. Okay, go up a little higher. Push the top of the panel against the window, and then down. I like to put my switch on right away, just so this harness doesn't try and slide down and get lost down there. Put that in, push it down in, push the back down first, and the front clips. Okay. Clip the bottom. Reset your little clips by pushing them up like that. Insert them, insert, then lock. This screw just kind of stayed in there. Should be kind of an up angle to get it where it wants to go, and then tighten it up nice and firm. Okay. Then this has a little tab in it that goes into a slot, so you know you put it in at the right angle. And then you want to, there's a tab in the front of this that you want to lock into here. So you want to put it kind of angle the front first. All set.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.